everyone, if you're a business owner and you're tired of replying to all your customers' inquiries on WhatsApp manually, then this video is definitely for you because with the help of this video, you can create an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant with the help of which you will never be able to miss any other inquiry of your customer and you will not lose any of your leads. Okay, so over here, first of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant for your business is going to work in real time. I will ask a question as a customer towards this AI assistant, and my first question is, do you have perfumes for women under 1000? Okay, over here it will take few seconds. This AI assistant will take few seconds for the reply, so I'm going to wait over here. Yes, we offer beautiful collection, affordable perfumes and mist for women under 1000. You can explore fragrances like Floral Mist and Amber Charm by Lush Berry Essentials in our perfume section. Okay, I have my next question, that is, do you have skincare products for oily and sensitive skin? I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant now. Absolutely, we have range of skincare products tailored for both oily and sensitive skin. For oily skin, you can find oil control cleansers, mattifying moisturizers and lightweight sunscreens. For sensitive skin, we offer dermatologist tested, fragrance free and hypoallergic options. Okay, you can see right over here I have received this reply from this AI assistant. Now I have one last question left, that is, what is the price range of your products? So this is the last question I want to ask towards this AI assistant. I will wait for the reply right now. Our products are categorized into 3 pricing range: budget range, mid-range and luxury range. Okay, so you can see this AI assistant on WhatsApp is replying to all my queries. Now your customers' queries can be resolved without you lifting up your finger at day or at night, any time of the day. Without even needing of any coding and programming skills, you can create this amazing WhatsApp AI bot. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Okay, simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/Chatflow. And Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, before we dive into the creation of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In the space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, then do not worry. Sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. Then you will see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you next. If you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, from this plus button you have to add your WhatsApp number. You will find 2 methods to add your number. If you want to learn both of the tutorials of how you can add the numbers inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out our description section. We have added the tutorial link in there. Okay, with that, if you want to learn how the features of Pabbly Chatflow works, like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the links added in the description section below. Okay, now over here, to create a new AI assistant inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, simply go towards this AI assistant section right over here. After coming to the section AI assistant, click on this add AI assistant button right over here, and firstly we have to name our assistant. So with the name over here, I will write it as never miss a WhatsApp message again, auto reply instantly. I've just given this dummy name. If you want to name anything else to your assistant, you can definitely do that and add the assistant from here. As soon as you will do that, the assistant will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and now you just need to fulfill some certain sections in order to complete the setup of this AI assistant. Okay, first is AI instructions, under which we have to select the instruction type. Click over here. These are the types. I will select AI agent as my instruction type. If you want, you can also select the custom prompt or select any other type right over here. As soon as you will select the type, the responsibilities of that type will appear right over here. The roles and responsibilities. If you want to eliminate or add in more points according to your business requirement for this instruction type, you can definitely add in or eliminate some points. Okay. AI configuration, under which you have to first select the temperature. Temperature is a range of 0 and 1. 0 being focused replies, 1 being creative replies from this AI assistant towards our leads. So over here, I want the replies to be in the middle of 0 and 1. 0.5 creative plus focused replies. So I will select the temperature as 0.5. You can select the range according to your requirement. AI to use, we can use OpenAI. Model, I will use GPT-4o Mini. You can select any other model according to your requirement. Now we have to provide the API key. This API key will find in our OpenAI account. For that, go towards this hyperlink in the help desk. Now remember a very important point. Okay, you need to have a paid OpenAI account in order to create this AI assistant. Okay, so remember, you should have a paid account. With paid account, you can create this WhatsApp AI assistant. To create the token, click on this create button, name the key. Let's suppose I will write over here as demo key as the key name. Project is going to be default permission, give all the permissions, create the secret key from here. Then you have to simply copy this token that is generated and paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Okay. So now as this OpenAI key has been saved, next is AI assistant settings. If you want the permanent header and footer in all the messages that this AI is sending, you can toggle the button on and add the header right there. Okay. Stop keywords. So let's suppose you want to give your customers or leads a chance to stop the help of this AI assistant. Simply toggle the button of the stop keyword. For the stop keyword, let's suppose I will use stop. I'm going to press the enter key to save it. So if any customers send the stop keyword towards this AI assistant will stop replying. Okay. Now next, retry attempt. If you want that, you can add that part. Fallback message. So let's suppose this API token is not working. In that case only, this fallback message is going to be forwarded towards whom? Our customer or lead. Okay, when this AI assistant API key is not responding. So after setting up our first part, that is AI instructions, let's move on to knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is a document, a knowledge base, using which our AI is going to understand what our business is about, what is the service or the role of the business, benefits of the business, our mission, vision, goal, everything. Everything has been explained in this knowledge base right here. You can see I've created a 21-page knowledge base of my business in which I've written every single thing, how my business operates, where are the stores, what are the policies. I have mentioned terms and conditions, everything inside this knowledge base. And this is just a dummy knowledge base I've created for a dummy business, that is Lushberry. It's a beauty and personal care e-commerce business. Now over here, you might have a different business, a real estate or any kind of business. You have to create a document explaining what your business is about, what are the benefits, services, your policies, through which this AI is going to reply to all your customers and leads. You have to add in FAQs, like what are the frequently asked questions, so that this AI is going to learn, okay, so this is the question, so this will be the answer. So using this knowledge base, the AI is going to send the replies. So that is why we are going to add in that knowledge base over here in this AI assistant. For that, simply click on this button right over here. So this is my knowledge base. I will upload it. Okay. As soon as I will upload, how will you see the file has been uploaded or not. For that, simply under knowledge sources section, you will see this is the same knowledge base. If you see the vector ID, that means the knowledge base has been uploaded. Okay. Next is assistant interface. Now assistant interface and styling. These two sections are important for them who are adding this AI assistant on their websites. You can see nowadays on website, you'll see on the bottom right corner, you will see a help desk. So you can also add this AI assistant on your website as a help desk. Like click on this button, chat with us, and this is the interface you will see. If you want to change all these text, you can change it through here. So let's suppose my business name is what? Lushberry in this video. So if I want to add in that brand name right over here, I can definitely add Lushberry right here. If I want to change this line, if I want to change the initial message or add in another initial message through this column, I can do that. If I want this powered by Pabbly to be removed, I can enable and disable it from here. If I want a hypertext link like this, I can add the text as well as the link right here. Okay. So you can change through interface all the text. So let's suppose my last is user first message. Customer or lead sends message towards this AI assistant directly like we did. What will be the first initial message that you receive, the most commonly asked message? You have to enter that text right here. Okay. Now after this assistant interface, next is what? Styling. Now what is styling? Let's suppose you have a business, you have different colors that tells about your business. So now you can do branding of this assistant over here as well. Change the colors, backgrounds, themes, shapes, pictures, everything. You can do add in everything over here, okay? So now our AI assistant has been created. Do you see how simple it is? You have to just follow and complete certain sections and create the assistant for your business. Now to activate the assistant that we have created right now, toggle this button on, save the assistant from here, and the assistant has been created. It's that simple, okay? Now, if you want to add this assistant on your website, like I've told you before, simply go to embedded. You will find the script, copy the script from here, add in on your website code, and simply that AI assistant will be added on your website like this as well. Okay. So now let's test this AI assistant. Towards this assistant, I will ask a question from my WhatsApp number, and let's see how this assistant is replying to all my questions. Okay. So I will ask my first question. First, let me open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and my first question is, do you have any ongoing offers and discount codes? Okay, so let me ask my first question right over here towards this AI assistant. It will take few seconds for the reply to arrive over here, so I'm going to wait. And you can see I've received, yes, currently we have a festive sale of discounts up to 40% off on selected items. Additionally, you can enjoy flat 10% off on your first purchase using the code NEW10. Okay. I have received the reply. Next, I have another question, that is, what should I do if my order arrives damaged? So I want to ask about this question towards this bot. So let me wait for the reply right now. I am sorry to hear that if your order arrives damaged, please follow these steps. Record an unboxing video or take clear pictures of the damaged item. You can see right away I've received the steps. Okay, I have my next question, that is, how can I modify my order? So I want to modify my order, and this is my last question that I'm asking. So I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant. Orders can only be modified or cancelled before shipment. If your order hasn't been shipped yet, please share your order ID and I can assist you with the modification. If it has already been dispatched, you'll need to follow the return policy after receiving the item. Okay. So now I have received the reply successfully from this AI assistant. This means this AI assistant is now been working. I have another thing. So let's suppose if the customer or leads, instead of going and asking through the website, they are directly contacting this AI assistant. Now, what if you want this assistant should be auto-enabled to all those contacts? For that, simply go to settings option and go towards this inbox settings section right over here in settings. And in inbox settings, you have to scroll down till the end of this section right over here, and you will see AI auto reply settings section. Enable this button on. Select the list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to. I've selected as all contacts, and select the AI assistant from here and save it. Okay. As soon as you will do that, automatically to all your contacts, this AI assistant is going to be assigned as soon as they will send a message. Okay. So now next, if you want to add this assistant to a single contact instead of the entire contact list, now what can you do? For that, simply you have to go towards this inbox section, and in inbox go towards this any of the contacts, any chats right over here. You can see this choose AI assistant, toggle this button on and select the AI assistant from the drop down, and automatically towards this specific contact the AI assistant is going to be assigned. You can see like this. Okay. So now as we have created this amazing AI assistant over here, this means our entire setup has been completed. This AI assistant is replying to me and working successfully. Okay. So if you have questions or doubts related to the creation of this AI assistant or anything else, you can comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.